I'm Justin Morris with the Waterproof Group, and today we're looking at a foundation that has a ton of movement. We got some racking going on. We have a raised slab with a drop-down footing, and the back wall is also shifting backwards. We got an engineer involved. I took that engineer report and I hit up my guy over at Foundation Technologies. He said, hey man, we have this other product called Manta. I sent them over to the engineer and they simply signed off on it. We're gonna drive these manta rays back using a small dingo to help us push them through because the dirt is pretty dense. We're gonna send them back to about 10 to 12 feet into the earth, and then we're gonna pull back on those. Those manta rays are gonna open up in the earth and cause that tension back on it, and we're gonna be able to have the tension being pushed back and applied to the foundation wall. We're gonna do that same process for each one, 14 across the front and then 14 across the back wall, and we'll get this house stabilized. Every time I run into a situation that involves foundation movement, I reach out to Foundation Technologies. Having him here on site is gonna help us make sure that we install these things correctly. The support that they give on each and every project is out of this world.